Welcome to my channel. This evening we want to discuss about how you can make use of ChatGPT, and it's simple. It can help you to generate whatever you want, either video, script, either picture sometimes, or prompt. For example, let's start with this. Let's assume that I want to do a tutorial for how to delete um, or clear my watch history on TikTok. I will just ask AI GPT as my assistant. Please help give me a prompt, prompt, prompt on this topic. How to delete my delete view watch history. I'll see what AI will do or ChatGPT will do for you. Just wait. So you now see it's now doing more than what I asked, but let's now make it concise. Let's make it simple. Let me copy this one and edit it. Look at it. Sorry. Give me one prompt to create image. Now this. You can see it. This is a prompt now. This prompt now, this is the reason why we need also Meta AI. For example, this one, it has a limit image that you can generate. I think Meta AI too has, but I think that one is more than this, except if you are paying for this. Now this now, what you do now, if you have downloaded the Meta AI, what we do is that we copy this prompt that we have generated with the ChatGPT. Then we take it to, let me see, it's like I have of data for this. Then okay, still on. So you come here, This is Meta AI. When you open, okay, you see the button in the middle, that blue button or purple. You you click on it, you bring this asking anything. Then you paste it. You can delete this one. You can delete this one. Now let's see images it will create for us. Do you see it? Do you see image that this has created for us? Very good. Very good. Do you see it? Do you see it? So it depends on the prompt you give, and that is exactly what is giving us now. Now another one that I want us to do. There's a one that I did the other time that I want us to go and check that one and see what it will give us. Okay, look at this prompt now. I say give a prompt on this: how to create my view history, how to delete my view history on TikTok. Now look at what he gave me. So what I do is I select it, I copy it, then I copy, I drop it here. I now said instead of I now add images. Look at what it will bring. You see? Now from what he's giving us here now, he's showing us where we can get this thing. Look at what you see. Look at the picture he gave us. Look at the picture he gave us. If you are not satisfied with what is giving you here, you can click. The essence of this video is that these pictures is that we'll take these pictures to another app to generate a picture that talk. That is essence. So another prompt that we can generate, for example, maybe you what example we can give now? Maybe you are selling food. Now you can ask AI to help you as my assistant. Please help 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 with 10 from please help me with 10 prompt to create images for my video on tutorial how to cook egusi or um, um, Okay, let's say soup. Now you see what is it. So now what I will just do is now I want to start my video. Now this thing has given me what I need to start the tutorial. Now the first thing is the picture. I need the picture, and when he created this picture, and we use another app to give prompt so that it will talk and display what we want. First of all, we need the image. So let's copy this and go and put it in the Meta AI. Meta AI will help us to generate imagine. So I think you can see it now. All the ingredients we need for this soup is here. You can see egusi there also. So among this one, you can download. You see you can click here. You can save to you can copy. You can post it to your this mental something because it's also it has become a social media now. So people will see it. Now, another thing, we have fish there, everything we need. You now select the picture, among the picture, which one you would like to use. So, which one you would like to use. So, you now use it, you now select it. So, another thing we can do is that, so this one, now there's no person there. What we can also do is that let's add another something. Imagine and with a a Nigerian cook and her assistant. Let's see what it will give us. Not giving us. We need to. We need to. doing the chef is assistant doing the now. I think we are doing something there. So anyway, that is how you can make use of. So it needs prompt to work. Can you just see now? So it means that it is prompt that you give. That now is either you download it or you screenshot it and go and crop it. Anyhow you want to do it, you have what you need now. This one now, you can take it to the app that will make this image talk. As I was saying, you can now see that we have the image, all the ingredients you need to make egusi soup. We have it ready. We also have the chef and his assistant that will do the work. But the first one we generated, because of the prompt we gave, we did not include the chef. Now, he gave us what we asked. So it means that AI or Meta AI do not know what we have in mind until we ask it, or to give a prompt, right prompt, and it only acts on the questions you give, the instruction you give. So now we have talked about the ChatGPT, how you can use it. We have also talked about the Meta AI, how you can use it. So it means that anything you need now, you don't have any problem. You only continue to using it. So for now, the other app, they have limited me for what I can use because I have not paid for it. So I'm using free version. So maybe tomorrow I will do the tutorial of it, drop it for you so that you'll be able to create prompt to generate the image and also use a prompt to create an image or a picture that talk, that you can combine to make your video whatever you want to do. This one is not limited to food. It's all area of works that you can apply this.
Please subscribe to my channel.